It's a cream.
It's a tropical gel.
It's not tropical.
It says so.
So you're saying it's like coconut gel?
Hmm?
And it's an anti-inflammatory for my leg?
Hmm?
Why?
Because that's what the doctor said.
Why did the doctor say I needed this?
Because you were jumping on the bed, and he said no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
Really? So we gotta get the monkeys off the bed? No more jumping, guys. No more jumping. Where are we going?
Mackinaw City, KOA.
Okay.
Yes. That's a late addition to the itinerary, by the way.
A late edition? What happened?
Well, Kathy busted her leg today.
How'd she do that?
Stepping on the tailgate to get in the truck.
She couldn't heft her fat butt up?
It just cramped up. Something fierce.
Hefting her fat butt? Hurt her leg.
So now
You've heard it from the source.
she's on medication, but she can walk.
Just muscle relaxers and an injection of ibuprofen and some anti-inflammatory cream.
Yes. So
I'm all hopped up on drugs.
we're good to go.
Now why are we stopping at Flo's again? This is no time for wine.
Well, I forgot to put the mirrors up. I'm gonna just take a quick walk around too. Make sure everything's good.
This is harder than it looks with one hand.
Just leave it. Don't stress.
Now I can see myself. That's bull crap. And he's freaking out some more. Walking around the truck. Walk, 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 walk. I can't walk, so I'll make fun of him. Here it flows. See? You can see where it flows. It flows. Flows. Wherever it is, it flows. I may or may not have been talking about you behind your back. This is very serious stuff. See the look on his face? That's how serious this is. I'm gonna stop being serious now. Because it kinda hurts my face.
Okay, good.
And we're rolling! Well, how's it going so far?
I think okay.
Where are we at?
Rest area. Somewhere. Not exactly sure where.
Do we have any idea where we are?
No, not really.
How's the truck carrying? The trailer?
Trailer. It's good. Yeah, I mean, it's just kind of a little wiggly, but I mean,
To be expected?
yeah, I guess so.
I don't think I can get it, darn it. Be like, normal business college. Normal water. Normal mat. And the normal water. Here in Petoskey. We're being followed too closely.
Yes.
That stresses Matt out. Petoskey. Got me some Gilwins. Am I saying that right? Chocolate, fudge, ice creams. Look at the ice cream wagon. That's my idea of an ice cream truck.
Yeah.
These little pink. Screw that, give me a ring. Oh god, look how big that place is.
It's huge, huh?
It's all full of ice cream. Ice cream. Lots of ice cream that way. Ice cream. I'm screaming for ice cream. Scream. Here in Petoskey.
Do we have
The Bahnhof Ski Shop. Yes, you read that right, folks. The ski shop in Michigan, where there's no mountain. Here at the KOA. That's a big one.
I know it.
Yeah, it must be a toy hauler too, because they have like a trike underneath it. But see that? That's a beast. Is that fifth wheel?
Oh, jeez, yeah.
It's huge. Where are we at?
Mackinaw City KOA campground.
Why are we doing here?
Well, you busted your leg, so we had to stop early. Or we got a late start, I should say.
Okay. And so tomorrow will be?
In Fayette State Park.
And is my leg going with us?
Yes, we'll
Okay.
take it with us if we can.
Okay. Oh, that's crazy. Look at the... Everywhere we go, they bring us fireworks. Yeah, when I was in the shower, I was like, what?
I forgot that there's that vent in there. They were probably even louder in there.
Look at the... I was